Hey guys, good evening. Here to tell you a little bit about one of my most favorite eyeshadows that I've been using literally every single day lately. It's by Colourpop. It's a shadow palette. It's called You Had Me at Hello. As soon as I got this, I was so excited because I love the color. It's pretty, it's pink, and I love the gold. I think it looks really classic and looks like string lights on top of it here. The way that I heard about this was from my friend. She always has really nice eyeshadow on, and I asked her what she was using, and she said it was the Colourpop shadow palette and You Had Me at Hello. So I'm like, I really want to try that out. She has hazel eyes. I have brown, but I think some of the shades in here are really great for literally any color eye. Me personally, I like more neutral tones with shimmer, so beiges and light golds and light pinks and just pretty much neutral colors. So this is net weight 12 by 11 grams or 0.039 ounces. The total net weight is 13.2 grams or 0.47 ounces. Really nice palette. Literally, it's like the size of my hand. My hand's actually bigger than it. It's pretty small. Very compact, and what I really like about a lot of the shades is that they apply evenly and clean, and they blend really, really, really well. So on the back here it says You Had Me at Hello shadow palette. It shows all the names of the different colors of or the different shades on the back. And here it says cruelty free, which I love. That makes me really happy knowing that I can buy products that are not tested on animals, of course, so I'm very happy to know that, and that makes me even more inclined to purchase more of this brand's products in the future. So it says distributed by Colourpop Cosmetics LLC, 233 Wilshire Boulevard, Santa Monica, California. So of course made in the USA, and the website is colourpop.com. So it's very easy to open and close, so let's open this up. So it's a little messy because, like I said, I've been using it every single day. There's the mirror. You can see the top light of you can see my bathroom light there. This is the mirror. I haven't even taken this plastic off because I never really ran into an issue where I had to use it on the go yet. I always like use it in front of my bathroom counter or on my vanity. The brush that I use with it, it's the Aesthetica, just like a black, this is like a black coating over it, and then it's like a slanted brush, pretty small, just to give you an idea. It's like smaller than the size of my finger, but it just applies really well, and I love this and I like it. I found out I actually like this better than using the makeup applicators that I had, so I was definitely happy to know that I could use the brushes and that they apply better. So through using this product, I kind of found out about another product I like, and that's shadow brushes. Yes, sorry, it's really messy. It's just because I use it all the time. You could see I use certain colors more than others. The light, like I said, because I have like brown eyes and I just like having like a light shade, but they do have a pretty like brown, like a darker purple, and then this is like, it's like, it looks like it has like orange and brown tones in it, very shiny and shimmery, but also sparkly and also a little on the dark side. That's why I kind of stick with these two. So this one I use on my lids every day, all over my lid. Then I'll use a darker color such as this one in the crease, and then I'll use the white on top of it and blend it in underneath my eyebrows. And I get a lot of compliments on it because it looks so shimmery and makes your eyes really stand out. And just to give you an idea, see how like pigmented and shimmery and pretty the colors are, and they stay on all day, like super wearable, casual, but also nice to go out. So let's see, color names on here. So we have the Knot, which is my favorite color, Moonstruck, Two Peas, Candygram, Winning Ticket, FBO, Look See, Fool's Rush, Pulling Strings, Want You Back, DTR, and Sparks Fly. So I think they're all really cute names. to describe all the different shadows. They're really pretty, and I really love all the colors. I'm really happy with them. So I think like this color, the silver, is like really fun if you're going out. Actually, tomorrow's Halloween, so I could have a lot of fun with these darker colors. I can go a little more crazy than I would on just like a regular day. So that's always fun. But like if you go out, go with the darker colors, but just for casual everyday wear, I mean, you could do darker colors, there's no rules, but I usually just like to stick with the lighter ones. So that's just my personal preference, but I love this palette. It's so versatile, and the colors are so beautiful and pigmented and shimmery and matte, and you have your choice between which you'd like to use, and I think it's just a really great selection overall. So this was You Had Me at Hello Colourpop Shadow Palette. You guys found the video useful, and I hope that you guys maybe try it out and see it for yourself, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.